Hello, good evening, friends. I am Hitesh. Today, on the occasion of World Diabetes Day, we are pleased to have Dr. Abdul Rafiq sir, the director of Pulse Hospital, Nanded. Doctor is practicing in the Nanded from last 20 years. He is the most senior cardiologist and consultant diabetologist. Today, on the occasion of World Diabetes Day, I would request Dr. Abdul Rafiq sir to emphasize on the diabetes and what is the epidemics of the diabetes, and followed with few of our questions we would requesting to the doctor that will be benefit for the entire population of India. So over to Dr. Abdul Rafiq sir. Sir, I welcome you on the behalf of Dr. Reddy's lab. So I would request sir to have a talk on World Diabetes Day, sir.
Thank you very much, Hitesh, for my
Thank you,
kind
sir.
introduction. First of all, I would like to congratulate and wish all the viewers who are watching me a happy and prosperous World Diabetes Day. May your life be filled with sweetness, not the sweetness in the blood. I wish you a happy World Diabetes Day. We know diabetes is the leading cause of death in our country, and our country is just behind the China if you compare the statistics worldwide. So our country is at the second rank if you consider in terms of number of patients. With the diabetes, we have a huge burden in our country. So today we will be talking on glycemia happiness. I would like to listen the questions.
Sir, first of all, I would ask sir, during your practice, what does the glycemic happiness means to your patient, for your patient, sir?
Glycemic happiness actually it's a new term coined recently, but it's coined by our Indian doctors only. We are fortunate we are introducing to the world a new topic, a new term. This term is coined considering all the emotional, physical and economical barriers of the patient. To be precise, this diabetic happiness or happiness glycemia can be defined as a state of emotional and biomedical well-being of a diabetic patient.
Sure.
There are four pillars in this term. They are happy doctor, one, happy patient, two, happy caretaker or the family of the patient, and fourth, happy communication between the doctor and the relatives. So these four parameters, they constitute the very important part of the glycemia happiness, whatever you call.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Please. Sir, again I would learn to from you how important the glycemic happiness is for your patient, sir.
A very important question because this glycemia happiness or happiness glycemia, whatever you are calling, is very important because diabetes per se is not only a condition in which only control of hyperglycemia is needed.
Okay, sir.
It's definitely a condition where patient needs to be emotionally and financially needs to be strong.
Okay.
And also he should get the support from the community and his family members. So this term encompasses everything. So it is a happy situation for the patient for managing the diabetes, and definitely it is a very important thing whenever you consider management part of the diabetes.
Thank you, sir. I would again learn from you. Actually, it is a part of patients. I want to know, sir, what message do you want to give for your patients to achieve the glycemic happiness?
Simply, I will suggest my patients to follow the guidelines or the recommendations given by their consulting doctors. Just have faith and trust in them. Go as per their instructions regarding timing of the medications, proper scheduling, proper consulting or visiting the clinics. Apart from the medicines, they should also focus on the lifestyle modification parameters like managing weight, like doing regular exercise, taking care of their rest of the systems, and watching on the other mental relaxation exercises like yoga, meditation and all. I would like to tell them that they should not only consider only control of blood sugar as the most important thing, but rather they should also focus on other parameters which I mentioned just.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very much thank you. Sir, during this practice of glycemic happiness for your patients and during your clinical practice, I want to know, sir, that how your patient has achieved the glycemic happiness, as you have shared a lot of points to your patients.
Just now I mentioned those 3 to 4 simple things like number one, following proper instructions of the doctor. My patient, they follow my instructions regularly.
Yeah.
Those who have achieved glycemia happiness. Second, apart from the pharmaceutical medicines, they also opt for lifestyle modifications like proper diet, exercise, weight management. And third, they also perform some mental relaxation exercises like meditation in particularly. And they they enjoy the illness of diabetes. They take it friendly.
Okay.
And they try to adjust their life with the diabetes. Instead of fighting with, or instead of cursing on the disease, they adopt, okay, we have to live with this condition forever. So they develop a bond with the disease, and they follow up to me regularly.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for empathizing on the glycemic happiness for your patients.
Thank you.
Sir, again, I want to learn from you that what are the message you want to give the caregiver for those patients to achieve the glycemic happiness during the type 2 diabetes patients?
It's a very nice question, because diabetes per se needs attention by the caregivers more
Yeah.
than the patient.
Very true, sir.
Because patients, most of the time, they are ignorant or innocent to the illness, but the relatives or caregiver, they should come forward and they should meet the doctors regularly. They should be in touch with the patient as well as the doctors, and they should see that their patient is getting proper medicines on time, availability is there. And they should also see the nutritional part, or if there are any complications on the part of the patient, they should also be taken care of by the caregivers. In some patients of diabetes which have some complications like bed sores or some diabetic food like that, so here really comes the role of caregiver. They should not be afraid, or they should not be hesitant in handling such relatives. Rather, they should come forward and should coordinate with the patient and the treatment. So it's very important role the caregiver or the family members, they play as far as diabetes management is concerned.
It is definitely going to help the society and the caregiver for the diabetes patients, and even the patients. I would request the patients to follow the instruction given by Dr. Rafiq sir. So please do practice the term of glycemic happiness. Thank you, Dr. Rafiq sir, for your kind information and for giving your valuable time. Thank you, Rafiq sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.